Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everything in between, I am back. Update on Mom and Dad's 71 Chevelle. Here we are. Got the inner tubs are in, all spot welded and rough dressed. They're not finished yet. Just smooth them up a little bit. Got the inner trunk brace also welded in. Outer tub is put into position, clamped in, all the holes are drilled. Nice fit. And this is why right here. I'm gonna pause on that. If you want the best, you want stuff that fits, goes on the first time, this is it right here, AMD. So look at that. I mean, it's a perfect fit all the way around. Look at that, inside and out, perfect. So yeah, here it is. Anybody wants to know all this stuff here that's hidden, that will never be never be seen or nothing, I just clean it, then I put bed coat on it. I mean, that stuff is durable, moisture resistant, protects everything. I will end up coating this up here and all the welds that you'll never see. I'll end up coating all that bed liner as well. You can't see it, but it, water, moisture, all that stuff, it can get there, get inside of it. And it'd be horrible to put all this new sheet metal on and then 10 years down the road you start getting rust or something stupid in this inner structure. So yeah, I'm gonna coat it bed coating. Who cares? Won't be seen. And then when you paint it, you could dust up in here. All this will be painted. So all this here, when you shoot inside the door jambs, this section here will be open. So yeah, it'll dust in, cover the bed coating, and it'll look green from this side, but you'll know that it's coated and protected. And so here we are. Again, I'm super happy. AMD stuff is just the best. And it's not really that much more expensive, or even if it is more expensive, it's just the best stuff. It just fits perfect. It's the only thing I'll install. And as I said before, over there is that passenger side quarter panel, AMD, and we'll get it on here next couple days. Get it clamped in first, and then we'll, like I said, we got to put the door back on. And even though AMD is the best stuff, you gotta put your doors on. And when you put your doors on, and I'll show them when I get to that point, you want to line the bottom of the door up here with your rocker, get a nice door gap down here, and then your quarter is going to be really, really close, but you can massage some of this stuff a little bit. If it needs to move forward or back, there's a little play there, but that just gives you the perfect fit. Nice fit and finish. You don't have to try to get your door jambs later when you do body work. Something stupid, do some weld on the back of your door or something to get a nice door gap, or grind it. So yeah, you put this in, we'll get this nice and tight, get a nice gap in the quarter and door, and then go from there. Also, you can see I also drill a hole in my rocker here, and one reason is to blow out all the media that's in there, and as well as apparently a mouse nest that was stuffed in there. And then of course, once you get it all blowed out, stick a nozzle and a straw, and I blast inside the rocker with bed liner, and then through all the holes, and then actually you can see right here, I actually sprayed bed liner from the back forward. Just, you know, protection, extra protection. So also, guys and girls, I'm new at this. I'm doing a little bit of videos on some other platforms, but first time on YouTube doing this. So if you watch this, I do ask that you like it, subscribe, and share if you feel so. I'm not trying to make money off this. I'm just doing this to show that anybody can do this. You know, I'm not trained in doing this. I'm not, never had auto body, never worked in a auto body shop, or any kind of mechanical shop for that matter. Actually in high school I took electricity, and my whole life I've been an electrician. So, you know, but I've always loved cars. My dad was into cars in the late 60s and 70s, and again, you know, this was our daily driver when I was a kid. You know, I just love it. I have a passion for it, and I take my time, and I go slow, and I test fit, and I try, and I do the best I can. And for the most part, my work turns out really, really nice. Not bragging, but just, you know, I take my time, and I'm proud of what I get done. So if you're watching this, you know that you can do it. Is it scary? Well, hell yeah. I mean, who wouldn't be scared to have a car, especially a car that has sentimental value like this car? You know, who wouldn't be scared to have this thing, you know, the whole side of it cut out? But, you know, it's not rocket science. You can do it. Take your time. Get some drill bits. Get on YouTube and look it up. Maybe you'll find my video and it'll help you along too. I'm gonna flip the phone back around here. Let's show you this. This is gonna be a longer video than I anticipated, but you can also pick up one of these. Look at that. That is the GM assembly manual. You can get them online, 50 bucks, 60 bucks, whatever they are. They're worth it. If you, you know, if you have doubts, go to the manual. Also, one other thing I wanted to show here is, and I'm going to show you right here at this. So, it's hard to see, but the inner tub lip is not drilled. But the outer tub lip, try to get in here where you can see it. So you can see that we have the structure lip, and then we have the inner tub backing, and then the outer tub lip, it's been drilled a smaller hole. And so when you go through and you plug weld that, you'll land on the back of the inner tub. With the smaller hole, you'll weld the outer tub lip, and then you'll weld the structure. You know, and of course I'm gonna clean all this up before I weld it. It's just all, you know, mocked up for fitment right now. But you know, and same here. This is another example. You got structure, you have your outer wheel tub lip, and then you have your inner wheel tub lip. So don't drill all the way through. Leave the inner wheel tub lip. Just clean it up, and then drill some holes on your outer, and get them to line up. But drill a little bit smaller hole, and then when you plug weld it, it'll all line up. And you know, it just makes for a nice job, strong job. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video. Again, it was a little longer than I anticipated, but you know, I'm new on this, making video stuff. I hope people start following and start learning that they can do this as well. And just step by step. Just take your time. Don't get in a hurry. Also, when you're doing projects like this, they can be overwhelming. And my boss at my electrical job, he always says big projects are like trying to eat an elephant. You just do one small bite at a time. And that's true. Don't get overwhelmed by a big project. And just, one section at a time. And also, for me anyway, I think it's important that do something every day. If you're married or have a girlfriend or have a boyfriend, if you're a female watching this, make date nights. Spend time with your significant other. I'm not saying, ignore your household duties or ignore your spouse, but come out to the garage, do some welding, do 30 minutes of welding or 30 minutes of cleaning, or pick up the garage, pick up your tools, sweep the floor, but try to do something every day. I've learned that if you do something daily, an hour, half hour, 2 hours, you'll be really surprised at the progress you'll make just working that way. And again, you don't have to come out here and work for 8-10 hours and try to kill yourself. Just come out, work steady, and do little things every day, and you'll have a project done, and it'll work. I promise. So anyway, like, share, subscribe for me, please, and I will be making other videos shortly. Everybody have a great day. Thanks. Bye.